Hey everybody, today I'd like to demonstrate the uses of a tail vise. So I said in the first video is we've got a screw that moves this vise block in and out along the length of the bench, and we have these dogs we can pop up and we can support some work. So I'm actually going to plane some of this board, another cherry board, pop it in there, and you don't have to over tighten it, and that's gripped. So I can get my plane and I can come in and I've got some of my cherry board plane there, gripped it real nice, board never moved. If I wanted to do the edge, come in here, turn it around, drop it in, come in here, there's a tough little piece of cherry. I've got some grain going all the way across the wood here in a knot type situation, so that's a tough piece of wood to plane there, but the board never moved. Okay, I'll demonstrate this on this piece of walnut, a big chunky piece. We'll see how it sits on the bench. So I'm going to use the second dog on this one. So a little bit of versatility, drop it in there, and then come in here, plane up my high spots. So one way when you're playing the board like this, you can start across the grain. So I've got a little hump right here. Come in here, drop a little more blade on there. So I can slowly make this board flat equally. I can set it up. I can route the edge, get my router, route it, get my sander out, or even a belt sander, and it's nicely supported. So if we to use two clamps to hold this, they would always get in the way. So this is basically the function of a tail vise, to grip work in while you're using either hand tools or power tools to work a piece of wood. Okay, this is the beauty of the system. You can, and some people do, use this to grip work here. It will do that, but it's not its primary use. Some people may actually frown upon that, but you could, if you wanted, to set that up to do a sawing operation or something like that. I put a little piece of leather there to help grip the work if we ever needed to. Very useful. So that's the tail vise in a nutshell. Alright, thank you.